how to change currency on MetaTrader. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change your currency on MetaTrader application. So first thing first, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed as well as signed in within your MetaTrader application. So once you do that, you will be redirected to this interface, and if you don't see this interface, you just have to click on the code section as you can see on the left bottom screen. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this interface, and from here you can see all the currency being shown on your interface. So to change it, what you can do is simply click on the top right corner where it says edit, like a pencil icon, and to change it you can see the left hamburger icon. Once you click and hold on it, you can simply change it like this wherever you want, put it wherever you want to change accordingly. And you can also delete the particular currency by clicking on the dustbin icon over here and simply selecting the currency which you want to delete like this. So once you do that, it will be done. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.